If this course looks familiar, you're probably correct. AWS Migration Essentials is the commercial version of the partner course titled AWS Partner Migration to AWS Technical. They are largely the same course, and this digital instructor guide can be used for both courses. If you are teaching the partner version of this course, however, there are a few things to point out. For starters, the language in the two courses is slightly different. While the commercial version of the course will use language like you and your, the partner course uses language such as your customer and customers. While it sounds minor, it is what primarily distinguishes the two courses. For example, slide 31 in Module 2 discusses the AWS Migration Hub. This slide, in the commercial version, is a discussion about the students discovering and building their own migration plan. The partner version of this course, however, will take a slightly different approach. For example, slide 31 in Module 2 discusses the AWS Migration Hub. This slide in the commercial version is a discussion about the students discovering and building their own migration plan. The partner version of this course, however, will take a slightly different approach. For example, the class discussion should be around helping your customer discover and assess their portfolio. Items like this happen throughout the course, but the content remains namely the same. Just the discussion may change. Just because the commercial course is not a partner course doesn't mean we don't talk about partner tools, however. For example, in slide 17 in Module 1 discusses the Migration Readiness Assessment Overview. You'll notice in the commercial version of this course, there is an icon on the bottom right saying Partner Tool. This is to help students understand that they won't have access to this without engagement. The partner course, however, does not need that distinction, as it is assumed. Therefore, there is no such icon located in the partner course. In addition, the way you discuss these slides will differ dramatically. In the commercial version of the slide, you should keep the discussion very high level, as most students won't have access to these tools at all. In the partner version, however, you can certainly spend more time on this tool. One other large change is in Module 5. While Module 5 serves as the course wrap-up for both versions, the commercial version of the course covers a quick discussion on rapid migration to kick off the module. This is covered in the DIG, but not part of the partner course, and it is a tool not needed for partners. Overall, both courses are largely the same, with a few distinguishing points that I just laid out. Besides the tonal and verbal shift, spending more or less time on certain slides, and the AMS and rapid migration topics being different, this DIG applies to both courses.